Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by anchoring the look with a smooth inner layer under the net top. Put on the bralette or tank first so seams sit flat. This prevents snagging and visible bulges. Once done, hold the net top by the shoulders and align the center back seam to your spine. Make sure to gently stretch the net over the inner layer so the pattern lays evenly. This creates an intentional layered silhouette while keeping the net from catching on jewelry or zippers. You now refine the fit. Smooth the net from shoulders down with both hands, removing any twists or puckering. Then adjust sleeve openings so they rest at the shoulder seam. If sleeves are loose, gently gather and secure with a small stitch or clear elastic. This keeps movement controlled. Next, address the hem. Tuck excess into your waistband for a cropped look, or use small, hidden clips to anchor it. These actions maintain comfort and make the net appear intentional rather than sloppy. You finish by dressing the look and testing durability. Add accessories that won't pull the net. Choose thin chains or light scarves. Heavier jewelry can snag or stretch the fabric. Then perform a movement test. Walk, raise your arms, sit, make sure the net stays smooth and breathes with you. If you spot a snag, stop and repair it with a tiny stitch or fabric glue at the reverse side. If a panel is damaged, replace it or layer an additional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.